Hey there! If you have this cool Sony WF-1000XM5 earbuds and want to know about the touch or button controls for volume up and down, play, pause, answering or ending calls, we are going to show you the button controls on your earbuds. Okay, first let's talk about the volume. Now you can only change the volume while there is music playing on your phone. To increase volume, on your right earbud, tap 4 times repeatedly. To decrease the volume on your left earbud, tap 4 times. To play or pause your video, on your right earbud, tap once. If you double tap on your right earbud, you will go forward to the next track. And if you triple tap on the same right bud, you will be redirected to the previous track. Now when there is an incoming call, to take a call, double tap either on your right or left bud, whichever is comfortable to you. If you want to decline or reject a call, tap and hold on either your left or right bud. Now, after a conversation, to end a call, double tap on any of the buds. Now, you can further customize the button functions if you have the Sony Headphones Connect app, which you can download and set up either from App Store or Play Store. Open the app and make sure it's connected with your earbuds. Now, first of all, go to the System tab and under Voice Assistant, tap on this downward arrow. To use these, make sure you have already enabled Siri or Google Assistant depending on the device you're using. If you want to raise your voice assistant by tapping on your earbuds, on this list, select Voice Assistant function of mobile device. And if you've selected that, whenever you press and hold this right button, this will open up your voice assistant according to your device type. Just like that. And last but not the least, you can customize the button functions right from in this section. Under Change the Touch Sensor function, tap on this full icon, and both on your left and right button, if you tap on this downward arrow, from this section down below, you can slightly customize the button functions. And even if you don't like it later, you can always come back here and reset both your left and right button back to its default button functions. So these are pretty much all the basic button functions on your Sony WF-1000XM5 earbuds. Thanks for watching.